Let that sit about 32 minutes and 17 seconds, and we're gonna see what happens. All right, let's see how we're making out. Great. Did you guys do that? Playing a prank on me? Now I'm gonna have to dive in there with my hands and fish it out. Ooh, what an open cut. Damn, that burnt. By the way, this is acid. Oh yeah, looking pretty good. Yeah, my finger is not happy right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lightly wipe it off like that, and then put it back in. Leave it in there longer. Alright, I figured out where I want my clip. Sure, that's in my pocket clip. I've done these in the past that all I have to do is just hold it with my hand as long as I don't slip, but I shouldn't slip unless one of you guys pushes me. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do this here like that. That way I have some visuals. If I do slip, then I'll catch it on that. And what I like doing is I make one hole first. Alright, so now I'm going to tap them